tayo ay manindigan at panghawakan natin ang ating sariling House rules pagdating sa pag-handle ng mga impeachment proceedings. Maraming salamat.
The first impeachment complaint.
Just a quick manifestation.
Honorable Chua, I hope you will be the last because we will be proceeding to vote. Honorable Nasal, would you like to say something also?
Dito sa committee ito, because the reason why we are trying to be careful with the interpretation of the Supreme Court decisions is because this is an issue of jurisdiction. Jurisdictional issue po to, which is very important. So, yun lang po. But of course, I hope the endorsers understand na we are not against them. Ito lamang pong pinag-uusapan because as already stated, lahat naman po during the past impeachment, the House did its homework, and in fact, we followed what is under the rules of the House. But the House is not the problem. It is the other department. No, the interpretation of the other department. And in fact, it was used when the impeachment complaint was forwarded Senate.
Is to be very cautious as we conduct this impeachment proceeding.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
For parliamentary status, there is a pending motion to set aside the first impeachment complaint, that is Castro et al. Impeachment complaint on the ground of violation of 1-year prohibition period. Those who are in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand. Those who are not in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand. You may put down your hands. Last, those who abstain, please raise your right hand. Secretariat, the result of the voting, please. With 22 votes in the affirmative and 10 votes in the negative, with 0 abstention, the chair set aside the first impeachment complaint, the Castro et al. Impeachment complaint on the ground of violation of 1-year prohibition period. So ruled.
Chair, can this representation clarify what the meaning of set aside is? Ano po ba yung legal effect nito dito sa buong proceedings?
By set aside, it means that it will no longer be included in the proceeding of this committee. With all due respect to the endorsers of the first impeachment complaints. But of course, I wish to state for the record that I think all our endorsers are members and ex officio members of the Justice Committee, and we encourage all of you to continue actively participating in the deliberation, if not as endorser, then as esteemed members of the Justice Committee.